Let's get you a breaking update coming in from Madhya Pradesh at this point. This is the BJP workers, as being reported, has stopped Nakul Nath from entering the booth. The BJP workers have objected that only the candidate can go inside the booth. The pictures that are now coming in of this altercation that seems to be taking place. As far as let's quickly take a look at this video that has now come up.
नहीं, प्रत्याशी बस जा सकता है।
कार्यकर्ता होंगे तो जाएंगे, एजेंट होंगे तो जाएंगे, वैसे नहीं जा सकता कोई।
सर ओके सर,
यहाँ पे कोई नहीं जा रहा है। ठीक है, आप
कोई नहीं जाएगा सर, ऐतराज से कोई नहीं जाएगा।
नहीं, यहाँ पे आप ही नहीं रहे आप, लेकिन ये सब कर रहे हैं, ठीक नहीं, ठीक नहीं।
नहीं, भीड़ लेकर नहीं चलो,
कोई भीड़ लेकर वो अकेले
जनता से मिलिए वार्ड में,
वो अकेले आए, पब्लिक है,
होगा सब बाहर है।
वो घूम सकता है भाई,
जो चुनाव लड़ सकता है वो घूम सकता है।
नहीं भैया नहीं जा सकते,
के अंदर कोई भी नहीं जा सकता। 6 चुनाव मैंने लड़ा हूँ,
ठीक है।
नहीं वो नहीं लड़े, उनके पिताजी लड़े, उनके पिताजी लड़ रहे चुनाव। नहीं
Pragya, if you can explain this video to us, what is this altercation all about? What is the objection that is being raised by the BJP Karyakartas?
So there's a model code of conduct in place, and any unauthorized entry is prohibited from the polling booths. Basically, BJP workers are saying that only candidates and those who have been authorized by the party, the list is with the officers of the election commission. Only they are allowed to go inside the voting booths. They objected to this entry of Nakul Nath entering this polling booth. They are saying that this is not acceptable, and they will in fact lodge a complaint against Nakul Nath on this. Basically, they are saying that only candidate or the people or the party persons who are authorized by the party, and the list is already with the election commission, only they can enter. Else you can always influence people, influence other officers, influence voters as well. They are against it. You can do the campaigning and you can just have a look at what is happening in and around the polling booths, but you cannot enter the polling booth area. So this is the objection of the BJP workers, and that is exactly what is happening.
I think we'll also play out exactly the reaction that came in from his father earlier this morning before he went to cast his vote. We'll talk about the former made this big allegation this time around. He seems to be making the charge saying that alcohol and money are being freely distributed by the BJP leaders. Of course, there is a rebuttal also coming in from the current Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Let's listen into both of those reactions.
बीजेपी के पास अब पहले पुलिस, पैसा और प्रशासन था, अभी भी कुछ घंटों तक पुलिस, पैसा और प्रशासन है। पूरे रात, कल पूरे दिन मुझे फोन आए, मुझे तो वीडियो कॉल किसी ने किया शराब बढ़ते हुए, मुझे वीडियोस भेजे शराब और पैसे बढ़ते हुए।
कमलनाथ जी ने कहा है कि कुछ घंटे पहले तक बीजेपी के पास सत्ता थी, प्रशासन था, पुलिस था, और उनके पास वीडियो आए हैं, शराब बढ़ रही है। एलिगेशंस आप पर शुरू हो गए हैं मतदान से पहले।
वो हार की भूमिका बनाना उन्होंने शुरू कर दिया है।